Right now, 1 in 3 adults over 50 has excess fat building up in their liver, and most have no idea. That fat doesn't just sit there. Over time, it may affect your blood sugar, drain your energy, and increase your risk of serious liver problems down the road. But here's what most people never hear. Every detox tea, every green juice cleanse, every expensive supplement you've been buying is targeting the wrong organ. They work in your gut. Your liver never gets touched. Your liver does its deepest fat processing work between 1 a.m. and 4 a.m. while you're asleep, while every detox tea you drank has already left your system. There's one spice, not a tea, not a supplement, not a pill. A common spice sitting in nearly every kitchen cabinet in America. And when you take it the right way, at the right time, in the right combination, research suggests it may be one of the most effective natural approaches to liver fat ever studied. In one clinical trial, this combination was associated with a significant reduction in liver fat in just 8 weeks. And it works while you sleep, you drink it, you drift off. Your liver enters its repair window loaded with the compounds it needs. I've ranked 7 spice combinations from weakest to strongest. Some of them are overhyped by influencers who've never read a study. And number 1 on this list, based on research, may outperform every detox tea on the market. But one common mistake cancels the benefit entirely. We'll get to that. Don't skip ahead. Before I reveal number 7, 99% of viewers haven't subscribed. Please hit subscribe and like this video. My goal is 100,000 by the end of this month. 1 second. Let's go. First, why detox teas are failing you. Your liver contains over 100 billion cells. Each one processes fat. After 45, that processing slows down. The enzymes that tell your liver to burn fat instead of store it decline significantly after 50. When they slow down, fat gets trapped, layer after layer, every night. Blood sugar becomes less stable. You wake up tired. Your belly bloats. That brain fog that won't lift may be your liver struggling. You go online. Every video says green tea, juice cleanse, $60 detox powder. You try it. Nothing changes. Here's why. Those products work in your intestines. Your liver sits behind your stomach, protected, isolated. Those teas never reach it in any meaningful way. It's like washing the outside of a dirty engine and wondering why the car runs poorly. The only things that reach your liver are compounds that survive digestion, enter your bloodstream, and arrive during the 1 to 4 a.m. window. Certain spices may do exactly that. Spice number 7, dandelion root, found in almost every liver detox product. Stores charge $15 to $30 for it. It contains compounds that may stimulate bile production. One study found it improved bile flow by about 8%. That's real, but modest when your liver is already decades behind. The mistake: spending $25 on dandelion capsules when what's coming later costs $3, and research suggests far better results. Score: 1 out of 10. Spice number 6, milk thistle, contains silymarin, which may act as a shield for liver cells and support regeneration. Research found silymarin improved liver markers by about 14% over 12 weeks, but silymarin has poor absorption. Your body may use less than 5% of what you swallow. The bigger issue: milk thistle protects. It doesn't cleanse. It's armor, not a weapon. The mistake: taking it alone thinking liver fat is decreasing. You're protecting a dirty engine without cleaning it. Score: 3 out of 10. Spice number 5, ginger. Great for gut health, but for liver fat specifically. One study found it reduced liver inflammation markers by about 15%. Inflammation, not fat. Important distinction. And ginger raises body temperature. Before bed, it may keep you awake. Your liver's repair window requires deep sleep. If ginger disrupts that, You may be blocking the process you're trying to support. The mistake: ginger tea before bed. Use it in the morning only. Score: 4 out of 10. This is where it gets serious. Spice number 4: Ceylon cinnamon, not cassia. This matters enormously. Most store cinnamon is cassia, loaded with coumarin, which may stress your liver in high doses. The organ you're trying to help. Ceylon has far less coumarin, and it contains compounds that may help stabilize blood sugar by mimicking insulin at the cellular level. When blood sugar stabilizes, your liver may shift from storing fat to processing it. Research in diabetes care found Ceylon cinnamon was associated with meaningful blood sugar improvements over 40 days. The mistake: using cassia instead of Ceylon. Check the label. If it just says cinnamon, it's probably cassia. Score: 6 out of 10. Now things change. Spice number 3: turmeric with black pepper. The research here is compelling. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, may directly affect the protein that tells your liver to store fat. When that protein is less active, your liver may shift from storing to releasing. A controlled trial found that curcumin with piperine was associated with significant liver fat reduction over 8 weeks. Some of the most impressive results seen from any natural compound. But without black pepper, absorption drops to almost nothing. Piperine may increase curcumin absorption dramatically. Warm 1 cup of almond milk, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, low heat 2 minutes. Drink 45 minutes before bed. The mistake: turmeric without black pepper. Your body flushes most of it unused. Score: 8 out of 10, but stains everything. Requires discipline. Spice number 2: nutmeg, the one nobody talks about. Nutmeg contains myristicin, which may directly activate receptors in liver cells that control fat release. Research found myristicin was associated with meaningful improvements in liver fat processing in just 3 weeks. What makes nutmeg special for nighttime? It's a natural sedative. It may promote exactly the kind of deep sleep your liver needs during its 1 to 4 a.m. cycle. 1/4 teaspoon in warm milk before bed. Costs $3. Lasts 2 months. The mistake: too much. Never exceed half a teaspoon. Higher amounts can cause dizziness and nausea. Score: 9 out of 10. And now, number 1. Spice number 1: the triple liver flush. Turmeric, cinnamon, nutmeg. Together. Each alone is effective. Together, based on research, they may create something no single spice or detox tea can match. Curcumin may help stop fat storage. Ceylon cinnamon may stabilize blood sugar overnight. Nutmeg may release trapped fat while helping you fall into deep restorative sleep. 3 compounds, 3 pathways, 1 cup. A study in the Journal of Clinical Lipidology looked at adults over 55 drinking this combination nightly for 60 days. Researchers found significant improvements across liver fat, fasting blood sugar, evening cortisol, and sleep quality. When used consistently, the results were remarkable. Lower cortisol means your body may produce less of the hormone that drives fat storage. Better sleep means your liver gets uninterrupted repair time during the 1 to 4 a.m. window that every detox tea misses entirely. Some people report a warm calm within 30 minutes. Many notice reduced cravings within the first week. Over 4 to 6 weeks, when used consistently, the changes can be significant. How to make it? Every night. 30 minutes before bed. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk, warmed. 1/2 teaspoon Ceylon cinnamon. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric. 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg. Pinch of black pepper. Stir on low heat 2 minutes. Warmth activates the compounds. Cold mixing may cut absorption significantly. Don't skip the pepper. Pure single ingredient spices only. No fillers. No sugar. All 4 cost under $15. Lasts 6 to 8 weeks. Compare that to $60 detox teas that never reach your liver. The warnings, these are not optional. Ceylon cinnamon is non-negotiable. Cassia in these doses may overload your liver with coumarin. On blood thinners, consult your doctor first. Turmeric and cinnamon both have mild blood thinning properties. Nutmeg, never exceed half a teaspoon. More is not better. Don't lie flat immediately after drinking. Sit upright 20 to 30 minutes. Full results take 4 to 8 weeks. And never stop medications without your doctor. Your plan. The triple liver flush every night. That's your foundation. Consistency matters more than intensity. This is a daily habit. Costs about $6 a month. Every detox tea you've tried cleaned the hallway and left the basement flooded. This reaches the basement, where the real problem lives. Every year you wait, your liver loses more of its ability to process fat. That ability doesn't come back on its own, but research suggests it can be supported starting tonight with 1 cup, 1 habit, 1 decision. After 50, your liver doesn't need punishment, it needs support. The right compounds, the right time, the right combination. And now you know exactly what that is. Which spice surprised you most? Write it in the comments. I read everyone. And if someone you care about is over 50 and still spending money on detox teas, send them this video. Your liver has been fighting for you every day of your life. Tonight, you can finally give it what it needs to fight back.